what is happening. We have filled our first break in a really long time. We have not been big into breaking. We've just decided we are going to give it a shot. Do a couple breaks a week. So
you good with that setup?
I think so.
Okay.
So I'm going to record on one camera. We're obviously streaming live on the other camera. This will be posted on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, everywhere. If you guys missed anything, we will be able to view it. So what we are going to do is we are going to randomize the 6 spots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that entered into the break. We're going to randomize that with a dice roll first, and then we will randomize your guys' divisions and then break our 3 boxes. So we're going to roll the dice. 5 and 3 is 8. We're going to randomize your guys' names 8 times, and then we will randomize the divisions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times. Dice is at an 8. Come on. Get my mouse in the right spot again. 8 times. Jesse, Joe, BJ, Bird, and Sean. So we're going to copy this over. Bear with me. Doing this without a mouse. And then we are going to take our divisions, put them in here. AL East, West, Central, NL East, West, Central. We're going to roll the dice again. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dice is at 5. 5 times. Let's match them up. Sean has NL East. Bird has AL West. BJ has AL Central. Joe has NL Central, NL West, and AL East. Is Jesse. Bird gets the AL West with the Mariners and the Astros. NL East. Phillies goes to Sean. Joe gets the Cubs, which that is at Suzuki Sleeper. Okay, we're going to move this aside and we are going to start to break our 3 boxes. We will ship everything out to you. Hit space, everything goes to you guys.
He was holding up.
DJ got the Royals, chasing a little wit, and Torkelson. These divisions are loaded.
Yeah.
Any way you spin it. Oh, come on, Sean. Make the best of it. Nine autographs, 3 mem of what we're chasing, plus all of the rookies and extra numbers and everything else. Edward Cabrera, Matt Brash, Recon, Andre Jackson, Clearly Donruss, Mike. Reed is our Titans. Eli Morgan, Contenders Optic. First Bobby Witt is Spectra. And Suzuki is our Obsidian. Yep, I can. Sorry, that was a little zoomed in from the laptop. Let's just, we're going to empty out a box at a time. Whit Merrifield Threads, Jackson, XR, Andre is our certified, Otto Lopez, Clearly, Lopez Optic, our silver Optic from Contenders would be our Trout, Wilson Contreras Spectra, and Bryce Harper is our Obsidian.
Any hits yet?
Not yet. Everything will be sleeved up, top loaded.
So each one of these packs should have a hit then. Mm-hmm. Oh, look at that.
Essentials, Bobby Witt.
It's a good one.
Bryce Harper Pinnacle. Little throwback action there. Jacob Robson, Corey Seager, Wander Phoenix, O'Neill Cruz,
good one.
Crusades, Yaz, Obsidian, Luke Williams, 91 of 99 with Miami.
Little draft ticket. That's nice.
A little NL East action. That goes to Sean. Auto number 1. We're going to let Instagram turn back on. There we go. Take care of O'Neill Cruz right away. Come on. What do you think, Jimmy?
I'd like to see an O'Neal Cruz auto or something like that. Or, I mean, I'm going to handle Bobby Witt too, but.
Myers. Ryan.
Belade action.
Duran. Jordan.
He's a beast.
The whole flakage on, hanging on it. Adone.
Got a Cruz silver. That's cool.
Corey Seager. And what do we have? Cal Raleigh to 75. Bird got the Mariners.
He is a Gold Glove candidate this year too.
Cal Raleigh, the big thumper. That's a good one. So, still, that back's super thick right there. 2 autos out of the first box. Let's see what these last 2 packs, and we're going to get into that second box. Duran. Rizzo. Reed to 199. Matt Brash. Josiah Gray. Josh Lowe. Saracedian. Trey Spectra. And what do we have here? Walker Buehler Pastime.
Is that a blue swatch?
Yeah.
That's unusual.
It's like blue camo.
That's cool. Little cray cray.
Dodgers go to Joe. Jimmy, can you grab your coffee? I don't want to knock it when I grab top loaders. Okay. Okay. See what we got here. Box 1 has been pretty hot. Reed, Obsidian. Those are just cool looking cards. Another Reed. Shohei. Gonzalez is our elite. Soto. Oh, Soto's numbered to 25. 14 of 25. The acetate. Aaron Judge. And Contreras. Okay. See what we have here. TJ. Spectra. RPA.
Put that Friedel.
Yep, Friedel. One Cincinnati. Little NL Central. Joe and Heidi. Numbered to 199. So that is box 1. You know, box 1 did not produce a certain player.
Julio. Is that what you're talking about?
Yes.
He did produce Cal Raleigh, though.
Cal Raleigh.
And he is a Gold Glove finalist.
Okay. Box 2. Brandon Marsh. Brian Dela Cruz. Jeremy Pena. Joe Ryan. Clearly Don Russ rated rook. Cal Raleigh is our Phoenix. Seth Crusades. Chris Bryant Obsidian. And what do we have here? Riley Adams. Look at that Spectra. Dual relic chunk.
Oh, that's sick.
With Washington. How is that not numbered? But that is a clean looking card. Goes to Sean in L East. That's good. Jeremy Pena. Edward Cabrera. Rookies and Stars. Contreras. This is number 2/100. The red. Dawn out of certified. Kevin Smith. Clearly. Colton. We're going to go 2 hits back to back in this box. Lindor. Sandy is our Spectra, and this hit is Anthony Rizzo to 99 out of limited. Little relic action. You never know, could be Acuna. Juan. We had some good hits out of box 1. We're going to see what box 2 has for us. Shohei, Jared Duran, clearly rated rook. Glenn in their Crusades. Vladimir. Kyle Lewis, Obsidian. And what do we have here? Lars Nootbaar to 10. 9 of 10 contenders. Building block ticket. The Cal Raleigh was cool. Lars to 10. That's the lowest we've had so far numbered wise. That goes to Joe. Let's see here. Wander. Suzuki. Essentials. Luis Gill. That Jimmy had foil coming up of his too. That one's coming up on that certified. For some reason, it's that player that's pulling up the foil.
Yeah, that's the third one I've seen out of Chronicles so
CJ
far.
Abrams. Reed. Chaz. Nolan Arenado, Spectra, and Shohei is our Obsidian. Get a few of these big rookie soft sleeved up right away. I will obviously get everything top loaded. Before we sort everything out. That one's big. We're gonna let me double check. It is not. Austin Riley. Robert. Hunter Green, that's another one that's kind of peeling up at the bottom of that. That's a certified for some reason. Doing that. Jackson. Aaron Judge. Acuna. Ooh, look at that. Pujols. That is not numbered either. And a Rosarina. See what we can pull out of this last pack of our second box. And we have one more box of this 3-box divisional. Julio Rodriguez Recon. Curtis Terry. Lopez. Bobby Witt, clearly rated Rook. Kyle. Luis. Joe Ryan. What do we have here? Tyler McGill. Pastimes RPA 22 of 99. Last box. Sean was really doubting his division, but I think it has kind of panned out for you. Mookie Betts. O'Neal Cruz. It's a thicker card. Spencer Strider. Altuve. Lars Nootbaar. Brandon Marsh. Walker Buehler. And Jose Izarcidian. Yep, you never know. That is the truth. Stanton, Shohei, Bryce Elder, Aaron Judge, clearly. We're rotating everyone here. Corey Seager, Patrick, season ticket to 299, Chris Bryant, and Matt Manning. Zeke. Josiah Gray Recon. Those are cool looking cards in my opinion. Bobby Witt. Start Rookies and Stars. Certified Matt Manning. Blue Jan. Clear Vision. Connor Wong. Matt Brash. Rizzo. What do we have here? Matt Manning, rookie ticket out of Contenders Optic. Little Detroit action going to AL Central.
It's an auto?
Uh-huh.
That's a nice auto.
Matt Manning.
Damn nice auto.
Headed to BJ. Yelich, Tony Santana, Luke Williams to 199, Acuna, Shohei, Aaron Judge, Corbin Burns, and we have here limited Rizzo out of our 3 boxes. This one is not numbered, but we did get duped.
Get what?
Got duped.
Shorted?
No, duplicates.
Oh.
2 Rizzos in limited. How odd is that with all the titles there is in this stuff?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a tad brutal. And dirty. Sorry, I'm trying to keep the negative out of my positive world.
What are we waiting for, Sean? Wait a second. That's what it looks like. It looks like a Cubs pinstripe.
The Rizzo?
Yeah. Look at it, Jimmy. Both of them.
Yeah, that's a Cubs pinstripe.
Rizzo spent 49 games with the Yankees in 2021 after Chicago dealt him to the Bronx Ball Club.
Yep.
Vladimir to 99. What do we have here? Adone out of Luminance. I think that's the first Luminance we've seen out of these 3. Bobby Witt certified. That does have a damn foil peeling up. Shane Gonzalez, Gavin Sheets is our silver. Brandon Marsh. And Chaz is our rookie auto out of Contenders. Little Houston action going to Bird. Last pack to go. We will do a recap of the hits. I will get these all sorted out, taken care of, and then we will go live with some personals. Kevin Smith, Corey Seager, Eli Morgan, certified is not being kind out of this stuff. Brandon Marsh, Andre Jackson, Reese, Marte, and what do we have here? Pastime Jake McCarthy to 99, Pastime Auto. That is, I think I need another 360. So we will recap what we have going on here. AL West, Jake McCarthy, Pastime to 99. You got the AL West. You are fine. AL West went to Bird. Chaz, Rizzo, ×2 out of limited. Manning goes to Detroit. AL Central there. Tyler McGill. Well, RPA action out of Pastime. Lars to 10. In El Central, that went to Joe and Heidi. Riley Adams, Spectra. TJ. RPA to 199. That is an NL Central as well. Walker Buehler. Cal Raleigh, 7 of 15. That went to AL West. That went to Bird as well. And Luke Williams to 99 out of Contenders Optic. Plus are numbered and everything else. Thank you guys for joining us. We appreciate it. We look forward to more breaks with you guys as we go through some different types of products and adding some things at Turf and Dirt.